Today I'm going to be showing you how to install toe warmers. Right here I have Grabbber Warmers, that's a brand name, and I also have a shoe which I'm going to be placing the toe warmers in. So these toe warmers says that it's instant heat, air activated, and works up to 6 hours plus, and it's adhesive. So let's go ahead and turn on the back. There's instructions on how to use it. It says simply open the outer package and expose the pocket to air. No shaking is necessary. Remove paper backing and place the adhesive side of the toe warmer on the outside of your sock. Okay, so place it on the outside of your sock. At the top or bottom of the toe area, do not apply the adhesive directly to skin. So I'm going to go grab a sock and I'm going to show you how I put this onto the sock before I put it in the shoe. All right, so I'm back and I have a sock to go along with the toe warmer. And so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and open up the Grabbber Toe Warmer. I'm just going to go ahead and open it up like that and pull it out. And there's two of them in here. And it says no shaking. And when you're ready, just pull the adhesive side off. And so I'm going to take this. So this is the sticky side right here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on the bottom of the sock. And then when I'm ready, I put my sock on. But make sure that this sticks to it. It's adhesive, but it doesn't mean it's not going to come off. And then I'm going to take the shoe and put my foot in and slide it down. All right? That's how you use a toe warmer from Grabbber. Let me know if you have any questions. And remember, if you get this product, read the instructions before use. Thanks a lot for watching.